Hello, welcome to the channel again. Today we are going to solve another problem from JEE Advanced this year. Uh, the problem says that let the set of the relations on relations R on the set, this finite set containing 6 elements A, B, C, D, E, F, such that R is reflexive and symmetric, and R contains exactly 10 elements. Be denoted by script S, then the number of elements in script S. So if you want to try it yourself, you can pause for a while and try it. Okay, before we proceed to solve it, let's just recall some basic definition. So what is a relation? What is a reflexive relation and symmetric relation? If R is a relation on a set A and on an empty set, then it is reflexive if x comma x such ordered pairs belong to R for all x belongs to A, and it is symmetric if x comma y for x comma y this ordered pair belonging to R, if we have y comma x it belongs to R, then for some x comma y belongs to A. So if we want to make a relation R on this set A, B, C, D, E, F, a reflexive as well as symmetric relation, then R must contain such elements A comma A, comma B comma B, C comma C, D comma D, E comma E, F comma F, right? And the condition says that such relation R not only reflexive and symmetric, it must contain exactly 10 elements. So there is vacancies left for 4 different elements. We have to select these 4 elements in such a way that R becomes a symmetric relation. It is already reflexive. We have made it already reflexive because we have put all these elements of the form x comma x in R. So we have to fill these gaps with 4 elements in such a way that R becomes a symmetric relation. Now let's think for a while. What are the elements? What are the ordered pairs left in at our disposal? So the ordered pairs that are left are are like this: A comma B, B comma A, B comma C, C comma B, C comma D, D comma C, E comma F, F comma E. Again A comma C, C comma A comma D, D comma A comma E comma A comma F, F comma A. Again B comma D, D comma B, B comma E comma B, B comma F, F comma B, C comma E, E comma C, C comma F, F comma C, D comma E, E comma D, D comma F, F comma D. I think these are the elements that are left at our disposal. Okay, so these are the ordered pairs that are left at our disposal, and if you count them, so there are exactly 30 ordered pairs, and we can make 15 pairs of such ordered pairs which are of the form A comma B and b comma a. So we are making a pair uh, which look like a comma b and b comma a. So a comma b, b comma a is a pair, b comma c, c comma b is a pair. So there are actually 15 pairs of such form. So why are we making such pairs and why are thinking in that way? Okay, so let's come back to this R, which we have already made it reflexive. Now there are four gaps, four vacancies left to be filled by the 15 pairs that we talked about, that we just made earlier. Now there are four gaps. So how many pairs needed to fill these gaps? Obviously two, right? So out of 15 pair, we need to choose two pairs such to be filled in these four gaps. So how many ways we can actually fill that? 15C2, which is equivalent to 15 into 14 by 2. And if we make it, if we calculate it, 15 into 7, it becomes 105. So all the relations R, which is both reflexive and symmetric, must have such elements a comma a, b comma b, c comma c, d comma d, and f, and all the way up to f comma f. And the other four elements can be chosen from the remaining 15 pairs of ordered pairs, right? So there are actually, so we have already calculated that there are 105 ways to choose those two pairs. So it means such R, such relation R, where R is both reflexive and symmetric, so such R, so there are 105 of such relation on the set a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f. So the number of elements in the set is containing all such R, which is where R is reflexive and symmetric, containing exactly 10 elements, will be equal to, so this, the cardinality of this set will be equal to 105. So this is a very interesting question. I hope you liked it. So please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.